Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I wanted to do a quick everyday look. So this is a look I will wear if I have to wake up early in the morning and I don't have much time. So this look will be fast and easy. Because we don't have much time, I won't be using any foundation and I will directly start with a concealer. It's almost finished. That doesn't help. So I will use a tiny makeup sponge to blend this out. This is just like a regular beauty blender, only it's just smaller. Next I will use some bronzer. I will use the Hoola bronzer again. This one is always the right choice. And I use this palette because everything is just in here. There's a blush, a bronzer and a face powder. So I don't have to look for any other products. It's just one product and I'm good to go. So before I will continue, I will put a little bit of the Hoola Light all over the face to blend out the bronzer a bit. Alright, so next I will use a blush. I will go for the Britturials because it has a little bit of a shine to it. So this will be my blush and highlighter in one. Then I will use a brow gel because that's the quickest way of doing my brows. And this is just one in the color of my brows, so I don't have to fill them in anymore. If you have any time left, you might want to do a simple eyeshadow look. I will just be doing that. And I will use this cream color all over the lid. Then I will mix these two colors together. And I will use this in the crease. Then I will use a bit of the dark shade and I will only put that in the outer corner. And then I will use a mixture of these two again and I will use that along the lower lash line. Then I will use the glittery shade Silk Teddy. I will use that all over the lid. Then I will apply some mascara, of course. Last but not least, I will add a little bit of color using a matte lip balm. I will just apply that with my finger. If you apply your lipstick with your fingers, it will just make it a bit more natural, and there isn't much that can go wrong if you do it this way. So that's it. I'm really curious about how you do your makeup when you're in a rush in the morning, so please let me know. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!